Hello, nara hen han Rbun sing nara ngoài hen Rbun ta Georgia ta hen lusa hen tập tận đội check in cái thẻ chừng hàng mày tạmรับxuống xa đi hen họ xa
chuyện báo ta
năm tây của cái thì
như bên ta chiến tranh thời giới thứ nhất thứ hai
họ thì mong han Rbun hen choi hen han pal ta ok quay ball hai say
thứ nhất thứ hai
mà
ok
quay thì parmi anh là gì thì quan tâm phụ chạy tạo nó là phụ sắm vô
hay hạt bón ya hen me nama saya quay di par đang hen nào ra
mạc đang tầm mập ball
đang cái gì đó
tại
di par Việt Nam
bị lôi bàn tầm mel
làm quanh di par nào ra
họ thì mong song xa
thì mong song xa par lên pati
tại bữa cái tây tại bọn rừng Hà Nam
anh ra
di par rạc ngồi
anh ra di par kumuan
hắn ôi ok hắn ôi nhiều đi đâu bola teh han gran di par bol ri di par kahan kalau entam i pacek tak kalau iya con hắn phụ chơi hắn xa mà hả phụ chơi hắn xa hả bụi en bọn tật la bằng la thế này bọn chơi cái chim mà bọn tật la hắn bắt bằng la mà hắn mới rất ngồi ở sân Việt Nam là cầm lần thì par phun tam bự cái này nữa cái phun ray á khét per pan này mà từng chỉnh ở á mình quăng à làm chuột nó thiệt tại đây càng còn YouTuber gì ta my story of this plane. I think story nanti para bentar nam cetak F4
F4
Anh nấu ra 2017 được.
Speed. In Vietnam, scoring 277 combat. Speed.
bước từ đi được không?
mình tương thật là làm cờ trâu
Mà
thì
lúc
đặt sờ là đặt này đâm một mặt mình chừng tóc cả này
Bộ thằng handle
đây là bằng ba hẳn thứ vậy
phố đi tao dần
mẹ một chừng
dia price pernah apa?
dia pusing pan
Price lah 40,000 feet.
Maximum range out now net này
About 1965 seperti tercinta
nhờ bằng kia ta thì đang bằng một cái club nổ bằng tập tận này là mấy giờ mới sai này đà và thì đang bằng một cái club bằng tập tận này
nè ơi lúc lúc vào cái nữa
tu cái show ai
mới được bằng riết được bằng
tu cái show đó
đi bảo mới sai được bằng riết được bằng
cái hai nghiên cứu bơi ngồi cái plov hả
chưa lo hay
thấy mà prắc từ đấy rìa Mong tới nhà thì anh kia không tỉ.
Khi đưa phải nó ở mà tu cha.
À. Đưa một cha nữa. Tao ngăn đang nghiên cứu là một xe lốt đang hẻm mày. Nó nghiên cứu được bao. Nghiên cứu được cũng quắc nó nghiên cứu được ấy.
Kau di paro.
Đưa một bar tạt rỗ rồi nghiên cứu. Bơ mừng đua một lọ. Ai coi anh bảo là cái em bảo thợ Grande Par. Cường ập mập hay giờ ập mập đó hả? Chúng ta tới hotel check in. Đây là Mong du rồi các bạn. Coi. Rất là ngon tụi mình. Chụp hình phần thơ chụp bươn bằng lai chiếc mình ăn chuối. Một khinh vòng phát đấy ạ. Hả? Tầng phép. Ăn chuối rùm mà lạnh chát mà. Bang còn. Thank you nào mỗi phòng. Chơi room cái đó. Lên chat chị.
Chơi mặt lẹ nên nó toát cái này rồi.
Chơi hả nè, bảo tất cả lên chat là chị phu có ăn giòn biết. Nó mẹ. Rbun chứ nữa. Rbun này. Không cứ chơi mai cái này ngon. Ngon mắt. Tuhan kata room wedding room cái chăn bao hình dọn quê tour
Nó cái này nó mới bật tỉ hẻ anh ta rạp hẻ
mà hả? Mở đầu à?
Nó quay phim này.
Coi bên team coi
Ok.
anh hành check in lo rồi cho
Ines, you have to check in.
Chỗ anh để thuê qua này.
They're getting us a tour map. I think the speakers they're gonna speak to us.
So that's what happened. Yeah, my dad's a preacher. Been a preacher my whole life. I was born when he was at seminary at Vanderbilt. He turned me down just a tiny notch because I'm squelching him, and I only squelch 8th graders. He was coming up the staircase, the general was getting dead for fussing. He tipped his hat at her and walked through his wife's bedroom door. And I'm so proud of her. But her friends are going, Nora, honey, you got to get married. Your prospects are dwindling. You really need to think about that. She goes, oh no, I'm going to take care of myself. I can do this. Her very first tenant was a young man named Matthew from Tybee Island. He was a brick mason who'd lost his entire fortune in a hurricane. Now he paid for his room and board by helping her finish that beautiful home over there, which is original. And everybody knew they were Smith, but they weren't from the same place socially, economically, so they weren't supposed to be. The very next tenant she had was a young man named Mong. Her friends liked him. He was from money up north. He had a lovely top hat. But he made her feel icky. He had beat the living tar out of her. I said, God, he didn't come with a nameplate, people. I call him Wally in the Wall. It's fun for me whenever I get to do these tours. Because I get to tease y'all, and then y'all get to yell Wally for me. You might think this is odd practice here, but on a hotel remodel down near Forsyth Park, there you go. Don't stay there on your next trip in town unless you're looking for it. So y'all want me to mix history and ghosts? Because I don't care what we do, it's fine with me. I can do better. History's more fun for y'all? Well, those are my two favorite stories anyway. The love stories are my favorite, and now we're done with them, so we can go. Yeah, we can get together. Right there, that beautiful building with the arches on it. It was built as an Arabian home stable in 1848. And when Henry Ford came to town, coming up in front of us right there, that's Monterey Square. That's Count Casimir Pulaski on that horse on two legs. Do y'all know why the horse is on two legs? If your horse is on two legs, you died in battle. So Count Casimir Pulaski taught us how to fight on horseback. We call him the father of the American cavalry. And he got a grape shot wound on October 7th, 1779. You get this thing? He died about a week later, and we gave him a statue. Someone asked me where our bad statues were. I go, well, as far as I know, no one has any problems with the Revolutionary War right now. So we're okay right this time. And he was from Poland anyway, so there you go. Yeah, they named things for him everywhere because of what he brought in. And my 9-year-old heart could only think about all the horses that died in battle when they died. Right here is the Mercer Williams. Okay, y'all. Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil was not just a book or a movie, people. You thought it was. You thought it was fiction. Some of you knew not. Okay, the left-hand parlor right there, Jim Williams shot Danny Hansford in May in the early 1980s, right there, after a night out training. Now, Jim claimed that it was self-defense, but he neglected to put a weapon of any kind in Danny's hand. And he shot him once in the front and twice in the back.
Story
Oh, and I don't want y'all to miss this, but that's the Temple Israel Mikvah over there, y'all. That's the third oldest synagogue or congregation in the United States for the Jewish people. It has the second oldest Torah in it. I thought y'all might find that fascinating. The second ship to arrive in Savannah had 52 Jewish families on it. And that is made in like a Christian church because a Christian church builder built it. He didn't know how to build a synagogue. So it's kind of a cross, but it's a very old building. I thought y'all would like that. So, Jim Williams goes to murder trial. They find him guilty. He appealed. Here's the kicker. They let him out on appeal. His last lawyer worked in this building right here, the Armstrong Mansion. The fence around it's a replica of the one at Buckingham Palace. Going there to study to write an autobiography. And next door to it is the beautiful Magnolia House, which is a beautiful Victorian. And we debate whether that's the guest house or the servants' quarters, but it was built on the same property at the same time. They actually hand scissored the ivy on the steps. This is not, and she's shaking her head, this is not good because the ivy will tear up your bricks. But they do hand scissor it to maintain that look. Now, Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil, the original corner, his family owned that house right there on the corner, that beautiful light brick one with the white trim. It just sold for $7. I don't want to lie, $7.4 million. They were asking $7.6. But it had been in the family for over 100 years. This is our second neighborhood, y'all. The Victorians loved this. This park started with only 5 acres.
And that's where they found the boat.
Which Latoya and I would really like to live there, so we're upset about it because, yeah, it would house all our children. And that house, although I think we could live in that one, they had not put anything in there. And this house, well, wait, there's more. And this parking lot, and the old Chatham Apartments over there, and the old Candler Hospital over there, which is our first public hospital. Listen, they take care of what they get. They probably should do more for the city, but that's a whole nother story. But this was a school of law, interestingly enough, when we started with no lawyers, and when they sold it, it scattered. This is the oldest live oak in the city right here. We estimate it to be over 300 years old.
300 years old. Wow.
Yeah, we love it so much we put spikes all the way around it. Somebody once told me, they go, we're going to go in there and take our picture on one of the limbs. I go, well, how do your mugshots look? Because he would be looking at everything around him, all the tapestries, all the, it's just beautiful.
You also think it's kind of funny, there's a giant oleander bush in front of the tall girl.
St. Vincent's on the right. It's one of the longest running outdoor schools in the United States. It's doing outdoor high school. These are our retired phones. But I always say if they could get the tour, they would. They stop at stop lights. They stop at stop signs. They just don't talk. I don't want to get the tour sign. It could be right. I don't want it down, but yeah. This is Emmett Park right here, y'all. Emmett Park. Well, y'all aren't coming for St. Patty's Day, but we have 500,000 more people that come here for St. Patty's Day. And it's porta potties and people in Orange County. I see you shake your head, but that's done. Now, right up here, since y'all did, you had your banquet there, is our Chatham Artillery Monument right there. Chatham Artillery. And next we have our Vietnam Vets Memorial with all the names of the young men we lost in Vietnam on it right there. And next we have our Celtic Cross because we did have Catholics here. I don't know why people think no Catholics need to go Catholics, but for them. I'm fine. It's all right. I thought we were going forward. Yeah, I'm Grant, who contacted Jay Walks, the best sculptor in Bonaventure, and he had all those sculptures made. And they put the Academy of Arts and Sciences on top, so you knew you were going to.
Hắn pan hắn chong đưa coi thì mong sạch ra
Đen mong ấy, sân mong.
sân mong
Cái đấy mong gì vậy?
mong không lỡ tên nữa rằng ham chụp rụp chụp anh
Không biết phải chim sao bài này.
là kết hôn nhỉ
Là mấy chục gì? Coi cho em rồi. Anh xa cứ mất
cho ăn xa nữa
anh xa lo anh ba là mòn à? Nói là ba mòn anh xa lo anh ba.
anh ơi
Hắn quên qua thì tầm ti hay xa thôi. Áo là tiền chơi áo mà sợ này. Mố cũng bắt là chơi sợ.
dân từ sớm dân từ xa gì
chắc hai cùng làm gì
Đâu có đấy mà hai bên chơi.
đúng ai
Chụp rồi cả cư đó mà vào một ngày mà quay phim cũng đâm á sai rồi thì
ta sẽ gòn măng
và hẹn ta cán trong thành phố của
Savannah Convention Center. pakai tao chana ni
Gue apa nih cek ya. Rin dekat.
Gan này gan mai đi mưa giờ
Chú cha mai là chích nấc nè.
Tapi kita lau fit.
tao đây tao tất cá nó thế này tao rồi
mau sa ayo
tao
Mas dia susah tadi.
muốn đi hẹn đi cả đi thì
Dia tak hadir.
cả đi thì
hàng kia coi bữa salad rồi
Bang le hat round bang le pucat. Kalau cerah cinta green lah tu cerah tak. Cinta green bercerah mau berkuih salad.
nar samang
Nah, kita
đây một thứ tay còn làm không cái sả thế bảo ama saka ya sahama dia tukun lo boleh
quay dưới lại xa rồi đó.
boleh hen loi cha han som sa mri tam set tiếp còn 24 hours
Lah, pakai teri.
hari perhatian TH Bapak ya saya kan
set han palm break kan
dia handphone tu kan
han ham han set han coi Masuk.